Nosy. Whoa, Nosy 30, guys. Hey, what is going? Hey, wait a minute. He have diff. Okay, there's been some noise, grinding noise in the front diff area. Okay, how do you rectify that? Simple, guys. Just take it apart, find out. There it is. Normally these oh, that's it. Ooh, you can feel the grit right there. So it's actually, but typically you'll see like a lot of grit going on in here, but I can feel it. I can just do that. That's not smooth at all, guys, so that's likely what I know is that. Everybody's different. I'm not sure if he's just gonna do the bearings or the whole complete. Obviously he might. I mean, I wouldn't just have it sitting on the ground if I'm gonna. And it's the smell, guys. It smells bad, so he's likely gonna do a total rebuild. He's gonna get that drive shaft out to get the pinion out. I'm sure he know that. This guy's pretty sharp. Diff doctor. Okay, my buddy, man. Yeah, he loved this drive shaft, drive axle, differential. He loved all, but you know what's weird? He loved this kind of work, but go figure, he hate transmission. Now the drive line is attached to the freaking transmission. Look at this, man. Wow. Like, I guess if the car on the ground, that's not a big issue, okay, but that is way too close. Yeah, this guy, he's a big, that's a nag transmission, nag one. This guy's big on differential manual stuff, but let it be some transmission engine. I don't do transmission. My dude, you just overhauled the complete front and diff. How do you not do the drive line to complete? How do you be some of drive line? Like, I specialize in drive line, but I ain't doing no transmission. I don't know, man. That's what I say, guys. All you trainers out there, or everybody getting in the game, or you figure out this is what you want to do. Try to learn the whole car from this bumper to the rear bumper. In other words, everything in between. Get out of the habit of specializing. Them days are over, guys. No more specialty shops. All right. Yes, I was forced into that, and I'm glad I went that route. Pentastar. This is no start, guys. I saw them tow this in, guys. He was driving in. The whole time he was driving in, another guy was standing out here. Shh. Fuel pump not working, so he sprayed his way all the way into the shop. I wish I could have caught some footage of that. That was pretty neat. I've had to do that before. I just never seen it on tape. So, God, I hope they didn't replace these thinking that is the reason. A lot of people do that. It ain't getting no fuel and it's not starting, so it possibly need ignition coils. These are brand new cars. Now he's in for no start because there's no fuel pressure. Oh my goodness, boy. Diagnostic. Oh, that fuel. Y'all know what that fuel pump is. If not, watch this video right here. I did one. I had to redo the wiring also. So that's a part 3 series on that fuel pump that I did. So I did have to do the wiring. Muscle car, but not much muscle. Okay, don't worry about that. Now this, on the other hand, I can tell by this brake setup, this caliper and these rotors, this is not a Pentastar, guys. No. All right, not sure what my man doing back here. Evap maybe? No, that's not a canister hose. I don't know. Slotted rotors, guys. You all know the advantage of rotors such as this and a huge size caliper. All right, I can't see, guys. Y'all take a look. What y'all see up there? I know what y'all better not see. Pentastar. Okay, I can't see, but we all get the picture. All right, guys, I'm winding down. I got parts ordered for this. I think this video is already up. I don't know. You go down the hill too fast, this is what can happen. Now, my only challenge is going to be, I'm going out very slow. In fact, I'm going to try to film it so y'all can see. I'm going to go out very slow because if you go, start turning and it stop, you're doomed. All right, it froze up. So you can either try to go, we'll go over that tomorrow when my parts get here. I don't want to touch it until I'm sure that I have all the parts. All right, so guys, that's it, man. That's all I have. what is going on here? Oh, guys, let me tell y'all something. Get out of the habit of guessing at evap leaks. Okay, the typical evap leaks. What's the repair you get? Most guys, they ESUM, a purge, and a fuel cap. Right? That's your typical. You can see the little O-ring sticking out. Now I haven't done any of this. This guy's not here today, but I'm gonna show y'all a video. I already recorded a video. In fact, I'll just put that video. I'll put some of that video on here. This is not the case. For some reason, some told me to smoke test this car before I replace anything. I smoke it, and guys, smoke everywhere, every freaking where. In fact, I don't even want to add that on to this video because I want that video to carry its own load. So I'm just gonna hype it up and tell you about it right now. What I need y'all to do, the very next video that come up after this video come up will be that video on where I found this smoke machine. So lock this in your head. This is a, I don't know, 2007 Dodge Charger 3.5. Okay, came in. What's weird, it had a large evap leak. So pretty much ESUM sealing and everything would generate a small evap leak, a P0456. This one had a 0457, the large evap code. So I don't know why anybody would guess. I ain't calling no, I ain't no snitch. I ain't no snitch. If there's one thing you know about JT, please understand he's not a snitch. If somebody ain't here, I'm gonna try to cover for them and don't expose them as if I would want them to do for me. Okay, I always cringe when I'm not here. I'm just so paranoid something's gonna come back and somebody, JT sucks. When I get back the next day, oh man, that car came. When I'm here, I can handle my own stuff, all right? But I can't be here every day. But my point is, I think this was a guess. In fact, I'm sure it was a guess, okay? Because, and guys, I ain't gonna lie, I've done it. Tom Cook, Hella, I'm sure y'all didn't guess that. ESUM and purged. Small evap leak and a gas cap, but that's a no-no. You shouldn't have done that. All right, that's my cue, guys. So tell y'all what, stay tuned for that video. All right, I gotta go. Thanks for watching. All right, let's see what we got. Oh, I'm blowing hard from somewhere. Oh no, on top of the tank. This is coming. Okay, guys. All this is back here. I guarantee you. I bet somebody put a fuel pump on here. Look at this. Yeah, somebody definitely. Who did?